My name is Annalee, and together we'll embark on a path of creation and kindness. So, first we start with a pattern. I looked at some skulls of some various Tyrannosaurids, Allosaurus, and a few random dragon skulls I found online. But I settled on a fairly simple design. I'd suggest keeping the details to an absolute minimum for now. I traced this onto 2 pieces of thin and malleable cardboard. An old soda box worked great for this. Next, cut out the holes and attach the 2 sides of the head with masking tape. Leave some slack in the tape, and once both sides are secure, stuff it with some crumbled paper to give it some depth. Next comes the first layer of paper mache clay, which I use Ultimate Paper Mache's recipe for. Please go show her some support as she makes some truly amazing paper mache art. I made it slightly drier than her recipe, and then I kept a cup of water nearby to dip my finger in to smooth out the outer layer. This gives it a somewhat like a drywall consistency. Then I flipped it around and did the same to the other side. I highly recommend giving a light bake between sides, which I used 165 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. You may need to go higher or lower depending on your oven and your humidity, but just check it every few minutes just to make sure it's not getting overdone. Next, I gave it a quick layer of white paint before settling it into the diorama I plan on making later. Then I put the LEDs inside the head, and added the casing, where I'm going to add decorative moss to hide everything. Subscribe to see the full diorama tutorial once it's completed. This will be my first channel upload, so please be patient with me as I'm still learning the ropes. And if you have any suggestions, please drop them below in the comments. What do you want me to make next? Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.